Hey Ashley, I just wanted to send you another quick video, um, just giving a quick overview of Command that I know of so far. I'm still learning, but so this is the login screen. So go to agent.kw.com/login, and that will bring you here, and it's her. The login is Catherine's same login that you used for .loop. So KC or KCox27, and then the password is, I'm just making sure over here. Okay, yeah, @ban 2016. So we're gonna sign in. And then this is the dashboard. And with Command, hopefully I'm gonna word this right. So with Command, any opportunities that we do, opportunities are here, and these are the things that um, are under contracts will go to. So any buyers or listings. So we have one, I only have one in here right now, and it's the one Melissa has. And so in Command, you have to create the contact first, and then add them to opportunities. Yeah. Still learning this. So I need to add, we just did Wade and Shawnee. So I'll be adding them to this. But this is opportunities. So opportunities, from what I understand, is going to be what we use to send our documents to the office for compliance. So this is pretty much for compliance. Very similar to .loop when I submit loops to the office for compliance. And so if you click on the person, it shows you, I put in the budget, which is the price we're under contract for, the commission, the address, and then in here in documents is where all the documents go. I have a few questions about a few things because there's like a lot of things in here that we don't even use unless you need it. So like designated agency, things like that. Some flood insurance disclosure, it's saying it's required. I've never submitted that ever in my life. So there's a few things I am not 100% sure on, but there are a few things that I've added. So like broker relationship, buyer agreement, ratified contract, due diligence. Like I created this. This was not preloaded like some of these things are. Earnest money check, I added that. Page 8, property disclosure, and you do that by adding an item. And that's how I did that. So anyway, so that's like a quick kind of overview. And then when everything is done, I'm assuming what I do is just click submit to Market Center. Again, I am still learning this, so I'm still very fresh and new to this as well. But over here are all the different things in Command. So I think pretty much the only thing that you will be, oh wait, yeah, no. The only thing that you will be looking at is this, is opportunities, because that's all the stuff we have under contract. Over here, you can click on this and go to Command Training. And it's like, oh, what do you want to do? So get training. It'll bring you down here, and you can do step-by-step help, how-to videos. I like the how-to videos, and so you can kind of see all the different things in Command and how you search here. So this is like hashtag how-to video. You can do hashtag command or opportunity, things like that. So there are a ton of there are a ton of training videos in Command in here that you can take a gander at. So that is about it. That's just like a quick overview. So yeah, feel free to kind of look in here, play around. Yeah, so that's all I've got right now. As I learn things, I will share them with you as well. And like I said, I'm going to a training today at 1, so hopefully I'll learn lots. It's mainly for .loop and DocuSign, but hopefully I'll learn lots on this and can share the knowledge. All right, thanks, Ashley.